Hello and welcome to
Butler-HQ.
And today we are cutting an inspection hole into the sill of our BMW E34 540i manual touring, which is the only Cashmere Gold right-hand drive with an LSD in the wheel.
And only two with cloth seats.
And even two with cloth seats as well,
Yeah.
which is quite cool. So we're going to be cutting an inspection hole, which might turn into a bigger hole, so we can progress in putting some new sills on and see what we're actually up against.
Yeah, because actually we are now going to get started. Yeah.
And this here, the 318i, has got us into gear. Our friend asked us to repair the back panel a bit. It's a bit rusty, and we got it done. So that gives us a kick up the bum to get the Nugget ready. So let's see how bad or how good she is.
That's the what was left of the original
Sill.
Oh, yeah.
Welded over it, haven't I?
Yeah, that's nice, that. Very nice, that. Yeah. I just left it to fester out.
Yeah, poor thing.
Yeah. Left it to fester.
At least.
Have a proper look. Alright?
Yeah.
Really flipping change the
I've got a new blade in there.
yeah.
We're just going to cut there.
Hang on.
Yeah, I'm going to cut there.
We are going to cut there. We was getting a bit weird. I'm going to cut up a bit more. I think we could see the way in the sills. Yeah.
So that's for a minute. We're going to change the blade.
Oh yeah, Mark, that's gone.
So I'm going to cut that so we see them up. I wanted to keep this a continuous shot so you could actually see what was actually behind the sill. I think we have done that. Then we're going to change the blade on the cutter and we're going to cut some more. Change the blade.
All cut in.
Where you cut the top.
E35. Off. Filming still.
Thinking.
I'm thinking that Ian is which I suppose it is. Filtered gone, I think. Ian the sill around boarded.
Mountain pump.
Have a proper look at it. To your eyes. See there, the reason there's an owl there, you say.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel. It's, yeah. Oh, it's, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, is this sort of up against pipes?
Yeah.
Bit of plate sticking out there, eh?
Yeah, it's a bit of a plate. A bit of plate. Yeah.
We're not really surprised with this. Nipper.
No, not really,
Yeah.
no. Pretty much what we're expecting, right?
But we just wanted to get it on camera. It's like a blog of a car, eh?
It
Really.
is. A bit of ancient fiberglass.
What we're going to do is we're going to have a cut around off camera, a bit more automotive archaeology. Then we'll switch the camera back on and see where I'm at then. So we'll do a bit more discovering. I'm going to have to take the axle off for sure. The axle's definitely coming off for sure. You chilled still about it, Pop?
Yeah, chilled. Yeah, really.
Okay,
It's what's to be expected, really. Now, great surprise.
I'm going to show somebody with the belt in its past and welded over all the crap instead of just being us cutting a little bit of sill off the golden nugget. We will have a video of when we cut it all off to document it. Just wanted to see today what we was up against. It just confirmed what we thought, really. The axle needs to come off. Bits of the inner sill needs to be repaired. But yeah, it's as an old car, a lot of miles to be expected.
Yeah, really.
Plus, there's no option to scrap it or leave it. It's got to be done because the only gold right-hand drive, a 6-speed manual touring in right-hand drive, the only one. Plus, she's the only one spec with an LSD, and there's only 2 6-speed manuals with cloth interior.
Yeah.
So there's no option. We've just buy another one. Like I said, we could have probably brought one a little bit better than this, but we wanted this one. This is what it's all about. Is this one? So this one needs to be fixed. Yeah, I think it was an Ibis blue one either.
Yeah.
But it's a one of one, which we could have had that for 800 quid, couldn't we?
We could all.
Of the same The same off a previous owner of this. But we just don't have space. We'd have these 2 car parking spaces and we had really no space, and we just brought a silver one, didn't we?
We had all.
So it was like, yeah. But we always wanted this one, and that's why it's been repaired. And so until next time, if you did like this content, please like, subscribe, and we'd like to hear some comments about what you think. If you think anything, if you don't think anything, don't leave a comment. But if you do feel anything, you want to get in touch or give us places to check, maybe you've looked before, just check comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We have got Instagram, we've got Facebook, we've got Reddit, Twitter, so get on us at all of them. Send us pictures of your cars on Instagram, get involved on Facebook, tweet us on Twitter if you like. But until next time,
Before we go, I've got a nice little bargain I found for her.
yeah, well, that's it. The unboxing of that will be the next video you'll see. But if you're on Facebook, you'll probably know what it is. So that's why you should go over Facebook, because you get to know these little bits a bit earlier.
So until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye bye.